What's up everybody, it's Paper Drew and I'm back with another video. As you can tell from the description and from the thumbnail, this is going to be of the Icy Rabbit hoodie that they just released, of the, I believe it's the onesie style that they did. As you can see here, this is, what does it say here? It says white hoodie in a large. If I remember correctly, this was the only one that they dropped as far as the hoodie's concerned. They dropped a t-shirt, they dropped a pink t-shirt, and they dropped a black t-shirt, and then for the first time ever they dropped some sweats. So they dropped I think a white pair and a black pair, but this is the only hoodie in the style that they dropped. They have another drop that's coming up today. Today is Wednesday, so it's the day before Thanksgiving. I just received this today. Excuse me. So they'll be doing another drop today at 5:30. It's like 4:40 something right now, so I might try for that. I think that's the skater tee. That's the one that Justin Bieber was seen with. So they have like a white, they have a white hoodie. Is it a white hoodie? No, they have a black one, a blue one, and a yellow one. So they're just doing the three. So yeah. So let me see. Comes with, looks like a few stickers here. So they have the skater Icy Rabbit one. I think I have this one. They have the Purple Rain one. I believe I have that one as well. And then they have the OG one, which I think I have. I don't have this one. I think I have the other two because I got the other drops from after the fact. So there's that one. Nothing else. So let's get into this. Oh, this is dope. So that's the design there, as you can see. It's in a onesie, size large. So this was based off of like Christmas Story. So if you're familiar with that, Christmas Story, they always play it throughout the holidays, like hundreds, thousands of millions.
Billions and 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 billions
of times you'll see that movie. So Ralphie is the main character in that movie, and he comes down the stairs in a onesie that's similar to this. So they based this off of that. He looks pissed off. It's a dope design, in my opinion. As far as quality is concerned, let me pull it out here and put my little mitts on it to let y'all know how it feels. So if you didn't already, check out my previous video of Rookies of the Years. I got some human races. Some other content too, and I got more content on the way, so keep that in mind. As far as the way that this hoodie feels, see, this is my first hoodie that I've gotten from them. Got the tags on the inside here. It shows the Icy Rabbit tags. Let's see if I can get this out so you can see it. So the branding is there. You see Icy Rabbit. It's a size large, and let me see if it shows 80% cotton, 20% polyester. So if you have anything that is similar to that, you'll kind of know what the quality of this is. I rather 100% cotton hoodie, to be honest, but 80% cotton, 20% polyester. That's what mostly a lot of the stuff that, as far as hoodies are concerned, is what you'll get. But the print is nice. I thought there was something. I thought it said Icy Rabbit on the background. So let me actually just open it up all the way and see what it says. Let me see. So no, it's just the onesie on there. So it doesn't say Icy Rabbit anywhere. You got your pockets. So you got your pockets here, which feel nice. We got like the lining in there. The inside of the actual feels nice. You have that nice feeling there, and overall I think it's dope. It looks like it's definitely a large, so that's good. I hate it when you buy one of the, buy a hoodie or clothing that you really not 100% know about, because this is maybe the first time you've ever worn anything from them, and it comes in, it's like too small, or if it's too big, it's kind of annoying. So true to size is always dope. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you copped. Did you not cop? Are you going to get something else? Maybe you weren't feeling the white. Maybe you'll get something else maybe down the road. Like I said, it's a dope design. Would I like the 100% cotton? Yes. Would I have like maybe some other branding other than this? Yes. Maybe Icy Rabbit down the sleeve or on the hood. Somewhere they would show some type of branding, or even on the back. I think they did that for the Halloween drop. They put the Icy Rabbit on the back. So I would have liked some extra branding, maybe 100% cotton would have been nice. It was a higher retail. I think it was like 75 bucks, somewhere along those lines. I think I wound up paying like 80 something after tax, or not after tax, but after shipping. So let me know down below, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Not because I asked you, because you like the content. I appreciate you doing everything that everybody's doing, whether it be commenting, whether it be subscribing, whether it be sharing my videos. I much appreciate it. It really shows me that you guys are enjoying the content, and so I keep pumping out more and more content, keep things going, keep the channel growing, go on from there. So as always, it's been your boy Paper Drew. As always, I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving with loved ones and families, because that's what this time is all about. And as always, y'all stay blessed.